Saw tip blanks, or cutting inserts, enhance a saw blade's cutting performance and durability. Without these blanks, tool makers risk their saw blades damaging quickly, leading to chipped or cracked teeth, making them unsafe to use. Manufactured using very hard materials such as cemented tungsten carbide or high-speed steel, saw tip blanks need the best attributes to produce high-quality performance for saw tips. Here are 5 factors to consider when choosing the right materials for your metal cutting saw tip blanks. Number 1. Wear resistance. Saw tip blanks are subjected to friction and abrasion when cutting through metal, which leads to blanks wearing quickly and being replaced more often. Using materials with high wear resistance helps extend the life of a saw tip blank, improves the cutting performance of hard or thick metals, and withstands high temperatures. Number 2. Toughness. The toughness of the material withstands the impact forces when cutting through metal. Blanks that lack toughness are more likely to break or chip when impacted by a hard object because the forces cause the saw tip to deform over time and damage the saw blade. Therefore, it is essential to pick very tough, durable, and strong materials to aid in the resistance of high impact forces. Number 3. Heat resistance. Instrumental to the effectiveness of saw tip blanks, materials with exceptional heat resistance allows saw tip blanks to handle extreme temperatures during manufacturing. Blanks with limited heat resistance can soften and damage the saw blade, leading to chipping, cracking, and excessive wear, all of which are unsafe traits for a saw blade. Number 4. Understanding the workpiece. Different workpieces like wood, plastic, and metal have specific properties that need appropriate saw tip blanks for efficient cutting. Circular saws, used for non-ferrous materials, need tips enabling rotational cutting. Hole saws, used for harder applications, require precise tips with higher tolerances. Band saws, used for versatile applications, demand unique tips for continuous curved cuts that endure high temperatures and forces. Understanding which saw tip blank to use for the correct workpiece can be the difference in optimizing the performance of a saw blade. Number 5. The total cost of ownership. Saw tip blanks wear down quickly and often need to be replaced, adding up to a substantial cost over time. It's essential to consider the upfront cost of the material and the replacement cost over time. Some materials, such as cemented carbide, may be more expensive upfront but last longer, saving you money in the long run. In contrast, other materials like steel will save you money upfront, but ultimately cost you more in the long run with consistent replacement costs. These 5 factors are critical in determining how to get the best possible performance of your saw blade, and choosing the right material could be the difference in extending the life of your saw blade or constantly replacing one. If you are still deciding which saw tip blank material is the right fit for you, it is always best to consult with a professional. Learn more at Hyperion.com.